Miss, you dropped your money. See?
Ah, thank you. Wow.
What is this? What is this? You cannot be walking around with $1,000 phone looking like this because you cheaped out and got yourself these garbage screen protectors, and the fact is they don't do anything for your screen. And this is exactly why we have made our second generation. It is not only extremely affordable, actually protects your screen, and even if you're indoors, outdoors, sitting, standing, doesn't matter, you can just pop it on top, pull the decimal and tape, swipe, and then peel. You can then swipe edges like this, and as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. Privacy version protects your privacy from both sides at 28 degrees. Hydrophobic electroplated oleophobic layer makes your screen silky smooth and fingerprint proof. It is scratch resistant and perfect. It is actually made to protect your screen properly. And if you like it, you get 2 inside the box, so click the OK and purchase it now.